Okay, this is a demonstration of the noise of the scrubber. Right now the camera is about 2 feet away from the scrubber and the display tank, and pretty much in the middle. The display would be on your left. So what I'm going to do is slowly unplug things on the display to compare it with the noise from the scrubber. So right here is the noise of everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to unplug the return pump. Now I'm going to unplug the regular scrubber underneath the tank. Now I'm going to turn off power heads. And now I'm going to turn off the continuous feeder chiller. And the only thing remaining now is the pump for the demonstration scrubber, and of course the drain on the demonstration scrubber. And now I will plug things back in, starting with the continuous feeder chiller. And now the regular scrubber underneath the display. And now the power heads. And now the return pump. And that is all.